let's talk about content calendars. I get a lot of calls from people who have seen the content I've made for other businesses or who love the aerial videos I make on 570 Drone, and they want something similar. It's great when they know exactly what they want, but surprisingly, most of the time they don't. They know video is super effective, but what they just don't know is what to talk about. And I'm guilty of this as well. I run a huge video production company, and for the longest time, I had no idea how to market myself. I relied on almost exclusively word of mouth and referrals, and to an extent I still do, but over the last couple of years, I have discovered an open secret that not only makes my own video marketing easier, but it helps me create amazing content for my clients. It's the content calendar. It's become one of the first things I ask new clients coming into me for videos or photos for their social media is, do you have a content calendar? Inevitably, the answer is no, followed by what in the world is a content calendar? So what is a content calendar? A content calendar is the core of any successful marketing strategy. It is a schedule that businesses and content creators use to keep track of what they will share online and plan for future content. Here are a few things usually included in the content calendar. Dates. You list important dates to publish your content. Holidays, sales, events, and other things that may be time sensitive. For example, one of my clients, Jodan Buick GMC, has a great service department, and in the early fall, we published videos reminding people how important winterizing their car is. You know, snow tires, tune-ups, even making sure your wiper blades are healthy, etc. The second thing is details. You're gonna write down the dates, then you're gonna write down details, specifics about each post or video or photo. Title or main ideas that you want to convey. Status tracking, the third thing, it lets you know how far along you are in each project. Is it still being planned? Is it in production? Is it being edited, or is that piece of content ready to post? That's the beauty of having a content calendar, is because you know when the content or the video or photo or whatever is going to be published. You can track your progress along the path of releasing this stuff. The content calendar is also going to include things like who's the target audience, who's it for. It's going to include the platform information, where is it being published, newspaper, TV, radio, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, etc. It's going to talk about the format types. Is it going to be photo, video, graphic, blog, infographic, and it's going to include goals. So what do you want to achieve with this content? Do you want to do brand awareness, social engagement? Are you promoting a sale that's going to happen in the fall or spring or winter or summer? And it's going to talk about the responsible parties. So whoever's in charge of creating, editing, and posting each piece of content. It's not just about what you publish, but when and how you publish it. And a content calendar is a vital tool for ensuring that your messaging is meeting deadlines and aligned with your overall business and marketing strategy. A content calendar helps you create a consistent message and tell a story more effectively. Finally, a content calendar gives you the chance to plan things far in advance and greatly increases the quality of your content. Because let's face it, time is moving way too fast. I mean, how many times has a holiday crept up on you and left you posting a generic text-only Happy Thanksgiving or Merry Christmas on social media because you didn't have time to craft something unique? We all promise ourselves we'll do better next year, and a content calendar is your chance to actually do it. So take out your calendar, grab a pencil and paper, and write down some important dates. Focus on the low-hanging fruit first: holidays, businesses, anniversaries, etc., and then start thinking of things that are seasonal for your business. Do you have a restaurant that caters? What events happen around the year that people want catered? Graduation parties, Super Bowl parties, weddings, etc. When do these events usually happen? Write that all down and start making a content calendar that'll guide your marketing strategy. As always, I'm here to help. You can email me with any questions or comments, and look forward to talking to you all.